What's up, YouTube? First off, let me introduce myself. My name is Creg, the Rock, the People Streamer, the great one, the most electrifying man in all of streaming and entertainment. Now, today I'm going to make a YouTube video for you about Discord. I'm going to show you how to register for it, and I'm going to show you how to build a server. Now, I'm going to keep it quick. I'm going to keep it simple. If you want more in depth, I'm going to do that for another video. Okay? Now, also, realize this. I do stream Monday to Saturday, 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube. Okay? So feel free to come by, hang out. We can talk about girls. We can talk about streaming. You can ask about tips. I'm there. I love it, right? Now, let's get straight into the video. So, first off, the first thing you need to do is go to discord.com, right? I will put the link in the description below. Now, once you go to discord.com, you click the part that says login, okay? Now, first thing you need to know, go all the way down to the bottom, right here where it says register. Okay, the reason why I say register, I'm guessing you already don't have an account. That's why we're doing this video, right? Now, when you click register, it's going to ask you for a few information. It's going to ask you for your email, your username, your password. Password. Do not give them your password. Your date of birth, and then you click continue. Once you put all of this information in, it's going to ask you to just to verify your email address and verify your number. Now, one very important thing that I need to let you guys know, you have the option to download Discord on your cell phone or on your PC. Now, even plan C, like worst case scenario, you can always open Discord in the browser, just in case if you don't want to download any of those, right? But as a streamer, I think it's best to have both. And if you're just doing this for your friends, you can just do it opening in Discord in the browser, right? Now, once you already have all of that, that's how you register. I'm going to show you right now how to create a server. So first thing, go into Discord, right? I already have Discord downloaded and I'm already in a few Discords, but to create a server, you go all the way down to the bottom where it says the big plus sign right here. You click add server. Now over here, you have the option. You can do a template for gaming, school, study group. I'm just gonna go keep it simple and create my own, right? Now remember what I told you, you can do this for friends or you can do this for the community. Listen, here's the great thing about doing this for the community. It's the best way to keep in communications offline. You know, like you'll stream like hours online, but what happens after that? If people want to communicate, people want to bond with you, people want to build a relationship with you, that's what Discord is, right? So I'm going to click this for community, just for streamers purposes, and you can call it whatever you want. Now, my favorite word, if you guess it right, my favorite word is booty, right? So we're gonna call our server booty. You're gonna click create. Now you have the option to invite your friends. You can send your first messages, but we're not gonna get into all of that. We're gonna keep it simple. Now on Discord, you have two options. You have a text channel and you have a voice channel, right? Now with the text channel, you can create things like a welcome screen. So for example, if you go over to the plus sign that says create channel, you can type in welcome. Then you move over here and click create. Now, here's the cool thing about the welcome. You can write your own rules. And every single time somebody joins a Discord, this is the first place you can direct them to, right? Now, also right over here up top, it says general. It naturally just creates a chat for you. What I like to do, I like to edit it a little bit. So I click the cogwheel, the settings cogwheel, and come over here to where it says channel name. And I type general chat. So this is the main focus of the Discord. So this is where everyone's going to be talking in, right? This is where you can put all your full-blown conversations. You can keep up with the community. And last but not least, I recommend 2 more channels. First off, guys, if this is very helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. And let's get back to the show. I had to throw that sell promo in there, you know what I'm saying? All right, last but not least, so there's 2 other channels I recommend for the text channel. The first one is memes. See, here's the thing. I love watching YouTube videos. I love watching TikTok, and I love sharing those with my friends and family, right? So why not share it in your Discord? Why not have someone who thinks something is funny share it with you guys so you guys can have a laugh and bond even closer together, right? So you click that right there. Boom. And then the last but not least, I like to create a sell promo section. See, this helps us build together. This helps us grow together, right? So, for example, someone puts out a YouTube content that you feel that's very, very helpful. They can just come right into your channel and they can go into the sell promo and they can just share it. Trust me, I've learned a lot of stuff from these sell promo videos, right? Yes, some people share when they're going live and all that stuff, blah, 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 but it's fantastic for growth, right? Now, we're gonna go into the voice channel. Now, once again, it always gives you a regular one and it's called general. We're gonna go change that up a bit. And then we're gonna call it game chat. Now, here's why I call it game chat. This is a voice channel. That means you can talk in it. You can literally click it. You see my face, you see my big ass head in it, right? And you can talk to your teammates. So if we're all playing the game together, you have the option of bringing in as many people as you want. The way how you bring in people, you click the cogwheel. You go to right here where it says user limit. You can bring it up to 4, 5, 6. The maximum is 99. So you can have as many friends in this game chat as possible. You also have the option of limiting people, right? Me personally, I like to keep it down to about 4 people. Click save, and then bam. Now, the great thing about voice chat is that you have the ability to mute yourself. And I do this a lot. Like if I don't want to like distract my teammates, I'll mute myself and I'll be talking to chat, right? And then if your friends are being a little bit distracting or anything like that, you also have the option of muting them, or you can click the deafen button. Then everyone in the chat will be completely quiet. They can't hear you, you can't hear them, and you can just talk to your stream in the meantime. Discord is possibly the most effective voice chat I have downloaded on my computer. I absolutely love it. Right, so whenever I game, I'm using Discord. Now, guys, there you go. There you have it. Once again, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. If you think there's anything I can improve on, write it in the comments. If you have any questions whatsoever, write in the comments. I will respond to you in a timely fashion. Thank you so much for watching. If you smell what the rock is cooking, take care, everybody.